guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA app not working on your Windows 11 PC. Whether it crashes, won't open, or just refuses to update, these steps should help you get it running again. Make sure to follow each step carefully, and by the end, your app should be working just fine. Let's jump into it. First, go to Search and type in Services, then click on it. Once the Services window opens, click on any item and press the N key on your keyboard to quickly locate NVIDIA services. You're looking for things like NVIDIA Display Container LS and any other service that starts with NVIDIA. Double-click on each one, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, then click Start and hit OK. Repeat this for each NVIDIA service you see. After that, right-click each one again and hit Restart. This ensures they're fully reloaded and running properly in the background. Next, let's make sure your GPU drivers are fully up to date. If the NVIDIA app isn't working, you can update them manually. Go to Search, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand to Display Adapters. Then right-click your NVIDIA graphics card, select Update Driver, and choose Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers are already installed, I'll leave a link below in the description where you can manually search for and download the latest NVIDIA drivers. Just enter your graphics card details, hit Search, and install the correct version. Make sure you download the right one based on your model and Windows version. Now head back to Search, type Check for Updates, and open it. Click Check for Updates and install anything available. Sometimes your NVIDIA app won't work because you're missing a key Windows component, so always make sure you're up to date. Next, open the Run box by typing Run into the search bar. Type Temp, click OK, and hit Continue if prompted. These are just temporary files your system doesn't need. Select everything using Ctrl+A and press Delete on your keyboard. Don't worry, none of these files are important. They'll just be recreated as needed. Now try to open the NVIDIA app by right-clicking it and choosing Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted and see if it launches. Still not working? Then go to Add or Remove Programs, find NVIDIA, and uninstall it completely. Once removed, download the latest version using the link in the description. Install it, restart your computer, and the issue should now be fixed. And that's it. After going through these steps, your NVIDIA app should be running perfectly. If this video helped you out, please drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're still having issues. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.